What's up, everybody? It's your buddy, your pal, in Hawthorne. I'm a little under the weather, so sorry I'm not as personable as normal. As always, thanks for watching my videos. This ship from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Yeah, I'm just not feeling too great today. Hopefully whatever I got in this box will cheer me up. We got some Temptations for my kitty. What kind of snacks does your cat like? This is Blissful Catnip flavor. Stay Fresh pack, 16 ounce. Got this from Amazon. I do the subscribe and save. What are some of your favorite items that your cat likes, that your puppy likes? Leave a comment below and let me know. Have a great day. Please subscribe. Please share.